Afternoon everyone. Now we are here to meet Mr. Kishan Perla who is near to my house. Good afternoon sir.
Good afternoon.
I am Himavindu studying in LND Triple second year. So I am here to do an assignment of English which is celebrity interview. So I choose as you a celebrity for my interview. So I want to know about your professional life.
Good afternoon to everyone. And here she asking about my professional life. My professional life, presently I was working in Sachivalayam as an engineering assistant. Here, what my job chart means, like what I have to do in my professional life. Like in construction field, everyone we working for as a site engineer. Site engineer work means you have to choose, check each and every quantity of item while constructing of a materials, from handling and from completely we have to take all the measurements also. That's my work. And also we have some various department works also. And presently I am working in one village. In one village, each and every engineering work which is related to engineering work, I have to do all the engineering works in that village, like water supply also in our job chart. Yes.
So you said that you works in a village. Can we know the name of the village?
Village name is Saripalli, which is near to Nellimarla Mandal, and that village to my home, it's 15 kilometers.
So, sir, what are your education qualifications up to where you completed your education?
My education, I completed my BTech in mechanical engineering in GMR Rajam, and presently I work for no, not work. I already prepare for competitive exams, and also I gave so many competitive exams which is related to mechanical engineering. But I qualified in this exam, so I was working in this.
So, sir, are you aiming for the high jobs?
Yes, everyone have a goal to aim for high jobs, and my profession is like engineering, which is related to engineering. But I want to work in mechanical engineering, which is completely different from this part to this part. So I am presently preparing also for my further jobs also, and I don't want to work. I don't want to work like this only. So I want to have some career growth in my life. So definitely I will go for mechanical engineering job.
Sir, can you balance both professional and private life together?
Yeah, everyone have some disturbances near profession to personal life. So we have to, it is like management. We have to balance each and everything in a same manner. Sometimes I go for Sundays also for work, and at the time in my home they also said that why you are going for Sunday and you are working and you are not living with us and you are always going to job. Yes, some disturbances up and downs and will come, but you have to manage all the things and each and everything, and that's the life. You have to balance each and everything. That's
So, if you have any free time, then you will spend with family.
Yeah, surely if I have free time, I will always spend my time with family and friends. Mostly friends. Everyone have some friends. Have a batch to roam on the cities. So each and everything.
So, can I know what are your hobbies generally? What you do?
Generally, my hobbies not which is not related to profession means, while beyond my office timings, I will go for current affairs. I will read current affairs. Means you may aware of this thing or not. Means present situations in our country, or else any new inventions, like those all the things are come under current affairs. So I will study mostly current affairs.
So, sir, can you give us message to the youngsters which are coming and joining in the BTech now, or as you already completed BTech?
Yeah, that's a good one. As presently you are in BTech second year as a triple E, means core. In the present scenario, the unemployment rate is highly more in our country. While you leave, it will be become twice or thrice. So I am saying that while you are entering in the third year only, better to prepare for competitive exams from third year onwards. Not don't delay up to fourth year, or else after fourth year, it will gradually leads you wasting your time. It's like you are joining for a job at age of 25 or 30. It means you are wasted for 8 years for competitive. Then if you prepare in a third year only, you may get some job after leaving, or else after leaving 2 years, more than 2 years. So presently my suggestion is go with Indian Engineering Service, which is conducted by UPSC board. It is a central exam, and so many people know about that exam. Some people may not know about that exam. IES means Indian Engineering Service. It is completely core job, which to all each and every branch it will be conducting core jobs for Indian engineering. So if you prepare from third year onwards, it will be easy for you, because from second year onwards you have a core subjects. So you have working on for second year, third year, fourth year. You may have some experience, so you can easily answer the things and easily cope up with that exams. And minus marks also, you don't know about minus marks. Yes, it is very important in competitive exams. You are now you only write in a scripted way, and they will give up to 20 marks or 30 marks out of 50. But here in competitive exam there is 1 mark for one bit, but you have negative marks also. If you wrong that bit, you will get negative mark. So to cope up that exam, you have to prepare more and more. So my sincere suggestion is, from third year onwards you have to prepare for these type of competitive exams.
Thank you, sir, for all your suggestions, and thank you for sparing us this time for your interview and sharing your feelings with us.
Okay, thank you.